SOLIDWORKS Plastics 2022 adds features and horsepower to solve more complex problems with greater ease. This plastic cover is bolted to 2 hoist hooks on either side of the hatch. Since it has an asymmetric design, both a right and left-handed version are required for the Nemo submarine. We'll start by adding a material for the plastic injection analysis. The material database is key to any plastic simulation, and this year we've added over 100 new material models and updated over 1,500 materials to improve fill, pack, and warp accuracy. For this part, we'll choose a Delrin material. The new Injection Location Advisor gives immediate feedback on where to place your injection points. It even automatically solves for the optimum pull direction based on your geometry. But for this model, we've decided to go with a sketch-based runner. Using the updated and simplified runner tool, just click the sketch segment and choose the dimensions. The new Flip Dimension button makes it even easier to build your own custom runner. And now, there's no need to define the number of elements for each segment. It's computed automatically. We need a family mold to create cavities for both the right and left-handed components. In Plastics 2022, we can use the new symmetry boundary condition. This will create a virtual, opposite-handed cavity in one step. Simply click on a plane that cuts through the sprue, and the new cavity and associated runner is created. But what if you need a family mold with multiple cavities of the same part? The new cyclic boundary condition allows you to create additional virtual cavities in a circular pattern. Just click the center sprue sketch line, the number of cavities you want, and you're done. And of course, if you choose to model your runner system using solid geometry, both the symmetry and cyclic boundary conditions can also be used. When it comes time to solve the analysis, the new Run button is only a right click away from the top of the tree. And when analyzing your fill, pack, cool, and warp studies, turning on the symmetry option allows you to visualize the full virtual cavity. SOLIDWORKS Plastics 2022 combines additional functionality, simpler pre-processing, and powerful automation to get accurate plastic injection simulation results faster.